Okay, the area that were harvested on with pak choy is now in terrace form and recultivated for the next batch. The pak choy that was harvested were a little 1 week old, so we had some good losses there. Not really loss, but a little old. So Litoy now has to work on the market, and I will do that also in Cebu. Dagko na lagi to yung sa patong nasa ubos toy.
Mo akong kuan lagi nga. By Monday, arbista di na natapa pagulang na kay.
Amo ba?
Kadto na sad nga.
Okay. So at least Roger needs see what happens is every week they do harvest, even how small it is. So I have to work on Guadalupe and Banawa already for this. This is your seedling bed before, Roger. Water level. Oh, getting slow, getting small, Roger. Maybe half a meter was taken already, or 70 centimeters was taken already from the pond. 50 centimeters. That's why he's only using one hose now. Anyway, it's drizzling, good enough. Okay. Sige pa di agas gyapon ng tubig sa spring, no? No? It's the water in the spring still flowing there. Kanisad sa lugar, materisad din sana to para seedling.
Para sa carrots.
Carrots kani para seedling, no?
Okay.
Oh, okay. The one that Teban did before will now be good for the carrots. They will start cleaning this area. They cleaned already the perimeter area there, Roger. That area there. Nalimpyo na to dito, oh. Oh, di ba? Nalampas na, oh.
Muna na.
I-develop na lang nato to para pag-abot sa ilang seeds, kay ganahan man kuno ang ilang seeds sa Europe nga doon tubig.
Okay na.
No. Okay.